Maybe it's butt and back, like butt and back. Like butt and back touching.
Oh.
Touching the wall. So only your butt and a little bit of their back. Yeah, like that. And you're like.
Oh, yeah. Those look good.
Yeah. Exactly.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding
What is familiar? It's your boy Taxi Png. We are back at it again with yet another one. Today we have the lovely
Jade.
Yeah, Jade. What's your Instagram?
Jadelyn, my name.
JADDELYN. Yeah. So you guys, today we are, where are we at right now? The Mint Museum store?
Yeah.
The Mint Museum.
Mint Museum.
Yeah, we're at the Mint Museum. Oh, cool. Mint Museum Uptown. Crazy part about it that I figured out was you guys' Uptown is downtown. Like you guys' downtown is uptown.
Is uptown.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm like,
Valentine was supposed to be
oh,
downtown,
okay, it was supposed to be downtown.
But this is uptown.
Cause I kept talking, I'm like talking to everybody. I'm like, oh, we're gonna be downtown. They're like, oh yeah, so I'll see you uptown. I'm like, wait, uptown?
Yeah,
I'm like, what? I'm like, the uptown and downtown. I'm like, those are the same things. But we're gonna go ahead and get a little shoot in, a little shot in, you guys. Once again, we have a 30-minute timer. If you guys like these 30-minute sessions, let me know. We're gonna go ahead and play around with it. She has a black fit on, which is really cute because I see a lot of different vibes kind of around here that could fit this one sit. So like I see this, and I see that. There's a glass door over there. Then you got that over there. You got the greenery over there. It's a lot going on. So we're gonna go ahead and start right here, have a little bit of fun. We're gonna get right into it. Let's do it. So we have the timer right here, as you guys can see, and we're gonna go ahead and set it. It's not gonna be a timer. We're gonna set a stopwatch so we can see how much time has elapsed since we started the shoot. So right now we're at 0-0. And now we got that bad boy rolling. Let's do it. So the first thing that I always like to do is try to make sure that my lighting settings are good. So I make sure that I got a good angle to be able to see her and see me as I'm moving each time too. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to just play around my lighting settings and kind of see how they're coming out. Then I can kind of go from there. I'm at 1/128 power. I'm gonna do some testers real quick. I got you. Make sure your phone don't fall because your phone is in a spot that look like.
Oh no, it's
okay, it's in there. All right, I'm just making sure because I'm talking about in it. Like I'm trying to make sure. There you go, let me see. Tester. Hold on, let me see one more. So I have my ISO at 100, you guys. My F is gonna be at 2.8. My shutter's it's at 250, and my flash power is at 1/125. Tester. Yes. Okay, cool. We're good. So what I'm thinking is I want I kind of like how you're turned like this, and you're like holding onto your bag. I kind of want you to look as if you're waiting for someone. So like look like somebody like you're waiting for someone like lightly, like you know what I'm saying, like you know what I'm saying, real cutesy. Okay. All right, ready? Yep. Yeah, just like that. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Yes. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Look more that way. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Yep. 3, 2, 1. And 1. Hold it. Give me some eye contact right here. Yep. 3, 2, 1. And 1. Go up 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, and then turn back around. Same vibe.
like up?
Yep.
Okay.
Just like that. I'm trying to make sure you guys got the best angle possible. Okay, the timer is still going. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. There we go.
I didn't realize you were right there when I said this.
There you go. Hold it. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Hold it. Don't move. So I'm moving over here so I can get a little bit more angles. What I have right here is a whole bunch of leading lines, you guys, and they're all leading my eyes to my subject. Okay. And I'm using this as foreground. She is the middle ground. We have a whole lot of shit in the background. Okay. So I'm gonna just kind of hit right here and utilize this. Yep. Just like so. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. And I want you to kind of look, so you're gonna look at me like this. So your right hand, yeah, you're gonna playing with your hair. Just like so, yeah, just like that, there you go. And then this hand more up, like that, yeah, like that. Tuck your tag, you got a little tag coming out right there, yep. There you go. You're gonna be looking right here at me. Yep, just like that, there you go. Hold it, yep, 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, I'm gonna get some more foreground, you guys, once again. 3, 2, 1. Look off. And 1, hold it, don't move. I'm gonna get another angle. Just like so, there we go, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so we go 3, 2, and 1. Now look at me right here. Put that left hand here. And that right hand holding your bag like a little bit. Yeah, like that, boom.
Look at you.
Take this hand and come out. Like that. Yeah, like that, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yep, you're looking right here, yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. And 1, look up and off that way. Yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. There you go. All right, bet. So now what I want is, I want you to lightly here, and you're gonna stand right in the center. Yes, just like that, yep. Yep, cross, and you're gonna look off to the side. Yeah, just like that, hold it. 3, 2, and 1, don't move. Yes, exactly. Yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Tilt your head down a little. Because remember, I'm not on the same level as you, so when you go like that, it looks extremely, yeah. There you go, ready, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. There you go, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Then move, hold it, 3, 2, and 1, hold it. 3, and 1. There we go. And then what I want now, I'm gonna have you, you're gonna be like right here, like this. If this side, that side's your tattoo side, so probably do that side. And then, yeah, and put it on the other side. Just because I want it to be like an accessory. The idea is you're going out, you know what I'm saying? So I want you to kind of maybe flow through your hair and you're gonna look at the camera, okay? All right, ready? Hold on. Yep, just like that. And I'll tell you when to look at me. Ready? Hold on, I got you. There you go, ready? Hold it. 3, 2, rolling. Go ahead, look at me, yep. Go through your hair. Yes, exactly. Now look off in the distance. Yeah, same thing again, one more time. Exact same thing. So you're not looking at me at all, and then I'm gonna tell you to look at me, okay? That hair, that right there is really good. All right, ready? 3, 2, and 1. Yes, there we go, yep. Now eye contact. Yes, there we go. Exact same thing one more time, right? 3, yep. 3, 2, and 1, rolling, yes. And now looking at me. Yes, now looking off. That's really cute. We're gonna hit it quick. So you could be good. Here you go, we got you.
Just like
still got everything on you, right? Yeah.
burst, love in the open.
You walking them heels. Hey, look at we like it. Oh. Of course, when I say something. All right, bet. Let's see if it's hard, because I think it is hard. I'm pretty sure it should be like hardened. Is it hard? Is it solid? Yeah.
It's mirrors.
Yeah, because I kind of want you to like lean on it a little bit. Which arm's the arm? Yeah, that's cute. Yeah. Do the other one. Yeah, because your hair and your hand. And bring that hand up, so it's gonna be like this. Yes, child, hold it. Yes, girl, yes, hold it. Exactly like that.
And the chicken.
They don't know it. They don't even see the chicken. They don't even know. They have zero idea. All right, and the chicken. Hold on, let me see. Tester. I'm about to do a test shot. Hold on. There you go. Hold it. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, that's cute. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Turn your head that way. Yes. Exactly. Yes. Hold it. Don't move. Hold it. Hold it. Look right here at me. Yes, exactly. Hold it. And if you're like wondering, oh my God, why didn't you show me the pictures yet? I'm gonna show you at the end, because then it's gonna be all the excitement is gonna be all at one time. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Because before I would show you, then go,
Yeah.
but it's like there's no excitement there. Yeah, you need the excitement. You saying, do I have that much confidence? You here right now, aren't you?
Okay.
You chose to come, right? Oh, okay. So you know.
Like that.
So you know. Hold on, let me see. 3, 2, 1. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yes, that's cute right there. That face right there is good. Hold it. Don't move. I'm backing up a little bit. You guys might be able to see me. I'm compression. Go through your hair. There we go. Appreciate you, my G. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. And look off. All right. So now what I want is, I'll hold your bag. I'm gonna put it like on my arm type shit. So what I want is, I want you to kind of like maybe like it's button back. Maybe it's button back. Like button back. Like your button back touching. Oh. Touching the wall. So only your butt and a little bit of their back. Yeah, like that. And you're like, yeah, okay. Exactly. Just like that. Hey fam, don't clip me, bro. No homo, all right? Just don't do too much, bro. I'm talking about me wearing your.
It look good on you.
Thank you. You see what I'm saying? You know what's really.
You got that on?
You know what's really going on. There you go. Hold it. How devoted is your photographer? Like that's just all I'm. How devoted is your photographer? Oh, let me give you my phone. So you can like low key get some little clips here and there, like videos, because I know it's hard for you to change between video. Yeah. You can just double click the power button. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Rotate that bit. What happened?
My lashes.
Oh, hold on. Let me hear you up. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Yes. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Ooh. Yep. Hold it. Look right here. Yep. Look at me. Yes, there you go. One more. Hold it. Don't move. 3, 2, 1. Look off that way. Like to hold it. Yep. Bring your head back a little bit, like that. So keep your head this way, and then look off. But don't look off crazy. Like just look off like yes. Hold it. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Now look at me. There we go. Yep, just like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and move over to that little brick building, Chris. Let's do it. We got it going. We're rolling. We're rolling. We're at 12 minutes, you guys. We're at 12 minutes. Let's do it. We're at 12 minutes and we're moving. We're at 12. What'd you say?
You gotta close up of the bed.
You know what, bro? Ooh, I'm thinking. Ooh, okay. You got that hair, and I love it. I want you to. I'm gonna put your phone in my pocket, okay?
Okay.
So don't forget, I'm not going either, but I see like here, like with the hair like that. You know what I'm saying? And you're holding this kind of like down to the middle.
So a little.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, like that. Yeah, just like that. Let me see. Yep. Exactly like that. Yes, exactly. Yep. Hold it. Test it real quick. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. Don't move. I'll go down on my flash power. Down on my ISO. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Hold it. One more. Hold it. Yes. Ooh. Yep. Hold it. I got that right here. Yep. Look at me. Hold it. One more. Ooh. Yes. This is cute. Hold it. Yo, this is tough. Don't move. All right, ready? I'm about to go crazy so you can get some behind the scenes.
Okay.
All right, ready? Hold it, yep. Exactly, yes. Look off that way. Exactly, yes. Give me a little bit more lean to it. Like lean forward a little bit more. Yeah, like that. Don't die. There you go, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Exactly, yes. Exactly. Look off that way. Yep, like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. And 1, yes. Exactly. Great job, Fab.
We made it on time?
Yeah, we made it. Oh, let me see what time it is.
Okay.
Oh, chill. So you want to hit right there before we finish? Because we could hit right there and then we could be done.
Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no guilt.
Turn my ISO back down, you guys. Now y'all good. Go ahead. We're at 15 minutes, you guys. We're at 15 minutes. I ain't say nothing, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna test it real quick. Let me see. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yep. Hold it. Don't move. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. You're good. Trust me, you're good. There you go. Hold it. Yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's cute. Hold it. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep, that's cute. Look up that way. Yep. Hold it. Yep. One more. Hold it. Yes. Hold it. And 1. Hold it. I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna have you look off that way again. Yeah, like that. There you go. You got it.
Put it in my face, kind of?
Yeah, and go through it, like with your hand. Like, yeah, like that. There you go. Hold it. Yep, hold it. Yeah, so you go like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep, hold it. Yes, hold it. Yes. That's cute. Hold it. Yep. And 1. Oh, put your hand like this and put your elbow like more like towards me. Right now, right there. Yeah, so you're looking right here, like here. There you go, hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And 1. There we go. And I'm gonna do. Oh, video right here.
The video?
Yeah, like a little video. Like another slow motion one. So like you can put your leg up. Or you can have your leg up and then put your leg down and then put your hands back. You know, it's like a sequence. You know what I'm saying? All right, ready? Hold on. Let me see. I'm going to show you in 3, 2. Hold up. 3. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, ready? 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead. Yes, exactly. Yes. Same exact thing one more time. So start back again. There you go. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead. Yes. And then 1 more. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead. And now look at the camera. Yes. There we go. And now we do the photo reveal.
Yay! I'm excited.
All right, so I'm gonna show you this video first.
Ooh.
Yep.
Boss.
Right? And then I'm gonna show you the photos. Hold on.
Those are good.
Yeah.
It's like an earth moment.
Yeah, right? Very ethereal. Oh, that was cute.
Oh, it's cute.
There we go.
These eat.
There we go. Come on,
Those
what?
eat.
Come on. Yeah, come on.
I like those. Those look so good.
Come
Oh,
on.
that was good.
Come on.
Period.
Yes. Yeah.
He's like,
These is hard, man. These look so good. Yep.
Ooh, the videos. The stairs really is it for me.
Yeah, look at that.
I like it.
Yeah.
That's hard. That's hard.
Yeah.
I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey?
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode, you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Make sure to follow her. I'm going to put her Instagram down below for you guys to be able to check it out.
Thank you.
And let us know if you guys want me to bring her back, okay? Because I could hit her up again. I might have to make another trip to make this thing happen again. So if this video does well enough, I will be coming back to Charlotte, North Carolina. Until next time, Taxi.
That's the hardest part.
What can help you too is like being that you work. You could have a certain day per week that you batch your stuff. So you could just get content all week, and then on Sunday when you're chilling in the room or in the bed, you could practice editing, play around with it, play different stuff.
That's like my worst part is editing.
Yeah, but that's what I'm telling you. If you just document and you make it easy for you to create, it'll be easy for you to edit. So if you're recording what you know you're gonna post, you're already good. Like boom, you make a latte. This is what or how much my food truck made in a day, or how many orders I got in one day, or this is how to make a latte. Whatever it is, and those things will like push you up more because it will make you an authority in your space. So if you even made like a video about like how you make lattes at your truck and why they're special, oh, it's gonna blow you up. And you just tag North Carolina, you tag Charlotte, boom, boom, whatever, wherever your location is, wherever you're based, wherever you travel throughout. You know what I'm saying? So take it like that, and that's free.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back. I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.
Thank you.